going on here today?
So we are here to celebrate the grand reopening of Steele Elementary School. We did our ribbon cutting for a school that's been shuttered since 2011 and reopened for the 24-25 school year just a few weeks ago.
Okay, tell me about some of the new improvements here.
So it is basically an entire renovation and addition, which includes new spaces of a cafeteria, a kitchen, an art room, a music room, full renovation top to bottom from roof to ground, including new windows, new playgrounds, new play yards, and a new HVAC system, basically everything to bring this building up to modern technology and a great learning space for students.
How many students are going to be attending here?
The building is designed to hold up to 400 students in K through fifth grade.
Okay. When is this going to be operating exactly? Is it now?
It's operating now. So our first day of school was September 3rd, and it was the first day that we welcomed students back into this building.
Yeah. How's everything been going so far?
It's always a challenge when you do construction, but we have wonderful faculty, wonderful leadership, and wonderful students who are here. And the space is just beautiful. It creates a wonderful learning environment for all the students. So despite the challenges that come with construction, it really has been a wonderful start to the school year.
And how is just like having just a brand new school? This looks beautiful. How is this going to benefit, just the area and the community around here?
Sure. So this building has been shuttered, and the students that live and surround this area have had to walk or be bused to Ben Franklin Elementary. So right now, all the students that attend this beautiful school in this uptown neighborhood, they all walk to school. So it really creates a sense of community, and it brings back a sense of pride into the neighborhood.
Anything else you want to add that I might be missing?
I just want to thank all of our parents who are a critical partner in the educational experience of our students, and for having them be a part of Steele Elementary School, be a part of the activities, be a part of the educational experience of their scholars.